Hi everyone, you're welcome back. So today, during the third day into our training, we are going to look at some basic tools that we need as a data entry person. Aside from the major tools like Word, Google Doc, Excel, Google Sheets, Google Slide, PowerPoint, there are some other tools that are very useful when it comes to data entry. One of these tools is Grammarly. I believe no one would like his job to be flagged on the basis of uh, poor grammar or costly um, grammar when you are delivering job, either in the office or you are sending a letter to somebody. So at this point, Grammarly can be a good friend to help you to do this. And let's see what Grammarly is all about. So let's quickly click on Grammarly and see what it has to do for us. One. So you have let's sign in. It's free, and there are various ways by which you can use Grammarly. You have Grammarly overview. You need to pay high to be able to write, get the idea quickly, and the rest. So you have writing enhancement can help you to enhance your writing. So where it works, overview on window, on browser extension, which means that you can have it as an extension to your, you can add Grammarly as extension to your browser, the Chrome. For example, as you use a Chrome, you can add browser extension to it. So each time you are typing something within your Chrome, Grammarly will be looking at whatever you are doing and can be collecting some of your English. Now, so let's quickly. Also, you can have it on your window. You can download Grammarly and install your window and connect to your Microsoft Word. Okay. What does it do exactly? Let's quickly generate a text online. Let's quickly look at the text online. Let's check something here. How to do the analysis of restaurant or server. Okay. Let's look at the simple sample English somewhere here. Okay. Sample English. Let's look at the services enter. Okay, let's quickly look at the news. If this news or English, something like that. I just want to generate something. I generate something. I know then we copy this onto screen and take this into my Google Doc. Okay, there is no Grammarly on this in this list. Okay, let me use Microsoft Word now. Go to share my Microsoft Word. Let me copy this now. Let me paste what you have copied, and let's do it like this. Now, if you look here, you see Grammarly. It's already looking at what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, let me change some English here. Let me okay. Have you seen now? It has quickly identified something here. Deloitte is a third person. I have give. Have you seen now? Okay. And okay, the technology strategy. Have you seen? And couple, let me give insight for CIOs, couples, brand. So you see that it quickly identifies some possible mistake in your text. So each time you are working, you always need Grammarly to check whatever you are doing. So if sometimes Grammarly might be saying your mind, and sometimes it can be saying something different. And in fact, sometimes it can help you to rephrase your English. Sometimes it will give you kind of rephrase. If you agree with that, good. You can just click. In this case, If I agree with this, I will just click this. It will take off this D. It's telling me that I want to cancel D, and I can use this. So it will take D off and then leave it like this. Okay. Let me do block T, T, um, okay. Okay. Sometimes also we might see that we can think that we can Microsoft Word also underline something. It underlines, but not to the extent of what Grammarly is likely to give you. And Grammarly has some features like we have paid, and you have free. So, so we have paid on Grammarly and we have free Grammarly. So what I use the most is actually Grammarly. So then Grammarly is free. You can just log in, register with your email, and start enjoying your Grammarly. That is as simple how simple it is to use Grammarly. And for plan, you're going to see the plans that they have for you. You have free plan, create account with free plan. These are what you can do with it. You see, we have under a free plan, we have grammar, spelling, punctuation. We have conciseness of the idea, tone, that detection, and the rest. So these are what you can do with free version. While the other premium version, business version, include consistent spelling and punctuation, English fluency. So these are all these are paid version. These two are paid version. So let's see the price. This is $12 per month, and this is $15 per month. So depending on what you are doing, actually the basic free can be useful, but in case you need more, you can always go and pay for the service and get more things done with your Grammarly. That is that. Two. So I want to talk about the second tool that I think we also need is Coolbot. Coolbot. So Coolbot also work like Grammarly. You look at it, we have Coolbot, so free grammar checker. Before now, it doesn't come with this, but now it has come with some grammar checker also now. But basically, what Quillbot does is to paraphrase. We use Quillbot to paraphrase something when it comes to writing. For example, let me paste what I've copied before. So this is what I copied from the earlier text. Now, I want to paraphrase this. Perhaps I wrote something, I don't like the way it sounds. I want to paraphrase it. What will I do? I can just copy and paste into the Quillbot. Remember, you are going to sign in also just like the normal software, and then click on paraphrase. Paraphrase. So it will try to change the wordings, read the wordings, and change the content. Sometimes you have a text, maybe perhaps you have a report last month, so you don't want the report to look alike, but to look like as if you just copy and paste the same report. You can just quickly copy and give to Quillbot. Quillbot will look at it and give you back a rephrased version. Okay, let's look at it. Deloitte Insight for CIO couple straight insight with deep technical knowledge to help executives drive business and technology strategy. Okay, yeah, with the support of the Deloitte Insight for CIOs, leaders can drive business and technology strategy, accelerate business transformation, and boost productivity and growth by combining extensive technical knowledge with broad business insight. One good thing about Quillbot is this. You can see all these lines. If I click on them, I can change any of them with the support. And I can change with the assistant, with the help, with the backend. I can always change anything I want to change there. I can change any of the terms. All this one in red can be changed to something else. You can see the other options there. You can see them. And also, if you are not satisfied with what you have, you can quickly go ahead and rephrase. You can just go ahead and rephrase. And you can see that it has changed also to assist leader in driving business and technology strategies, supporting a down, enhance growth, productivity. Deloitte insight for CIOs combine extensive technical knowledge with broad business insight. How you see? So these we have standard. What we can do here, we have standard fluency. These are free, but I think these are paid. If you want to shorten it, free, yeah, shortening mode, but you have to unlock the premium mode to be able to achieve that. You have to unlock the premium mode, so which is it has premium mode also. So we have grammar checker, we have co-writer, can support you in writing. When you are writing, can help you with writing. Plagiarism checker. Sometimes you want to be sure that an idea is not your idea is not plagiarized online. So you can get plagiarism checker from here. So when you connect, you quickly next generation of word processors, or just you could both from AI. So this is AI to also can just sign in into the QuickBooks and start checking whatever you can do here. So we have summarizer, we have translator from another language, which is a very good idea. So that is two. Three, the third tool I want us to learn is also that is converter. Most of the time we have documents here in PDF, in JPEG that you need to convert into different forms. So how do we convert? Using the online tools. So for example, we have a document in PDF, you want to convert it to Word. What do? Just go to your browser and type document or Word to PDF. Although Word to PDF is not really hard. With Word to PDF, you can just save as with your Word to PDF. You can just go ahead and save as. Select where you want to save, and so let's pick desktop, come around, and let's save. Just click on this and pick PDF. So that's not hard. Lloyd checker or post checker. Just use that name. Let's click OK. We're going to save this as PDF. Okay, that is good. Now, how do we use this? How do we convert back? We have that already. So let's come back. Let's come back to our browser. Now let's change from PDF. Just say PDF Word. What do we do? Just type this online, and you have various options. One of the best options I like that always be accurate and is the stress free is I love PDF. I love PDF. Even when you have bank statements in PDF, you can just go to I love PDF and it's going to convert it to you. So for you, let's click on this. We have a lot of options. You can see Adobe, small PDF, and the rest there. So, but I love PDF, it works perfectly for me. So let's quickly look at what we have here. So under this, I love PDF. You can see here. Let's see the first option here. Here we have merge PDF. You want to merge? Maybe you have 2-3 different PDFs. You want to merge them as one? Just click on merge PDF. Merge PDF, and go to where you have your PDF. Let's check down my downloads. I can see one or two PDFs here. Okay, let me look at something here. Document, yeah. Okay, here is the dashboard. There's a dashboard too. So, here, there we are. Okay, let me leave this out. So we have two here. Let me just click OK. Open. So we have them here. This one. I want to merge the two into a single one. A single server. Just click on merge. To make them, and I will download the merge PDF straight into one. So if I go to my download now, so let me open this. You will see that this will show, now showing as what as two pages. We have page one and we have page two. It is good. So that is how to use this. Also, we have split. We also split PDF. You have like 10 pages. You just need one page there. Quickly come here and let this. Okay, I need one page here. I want to split start page, this page from page one to where, from where to where. So let me say we just need from one to one and split. So if you split it, the different server and then we have it ready. So let me click on this. You can see that we have one sheet now. PDF. So the same thing with conversion. You can convert PDF. Okay, let's go back to our here. We have compressed. When you have sometimes you have a report. For example, you want to file annual return or account, and then after you scan it, it's bit heavy. What do? Just come to compress PDF here, and you compress, select the file, and compress it. This okay. Currently now this is 706 kilobytes. Let's compress this and see what we have. We have extreme compression, recommended or less compression, depending on what you want. Let's go for extreme compression. It will be less quality, high compression. So let's compress from 700 and whatever before. Let's see what we get here. We are compressing this. So now, from 706 kilobytes, now it has changed to, you now have 381 kilobytes. 381 KB. So we have conversion here. Convert to PDF. JPEG to PDF. You have a passport. Somebody say you snap your ID or your NIN or whatever. Somebody say you have to send it in PDF. Just go to I love PDF. Convert it to PDF and go ahead. You have PowerPoint to PDF. You have a PowerPoint. You want to change to PDF. Good. You have Excel. You want to save as PDF. HTML to PDF. Also from PDF also. From PDF to JPEG, just click on this. And from PDF to Word, from PDF to PowerPoint, from PDF to Excel, from PDF to PDF-A. So all these are used for conversion. Then we have all PDF tools here, everything here, everything we have talked about here. So compressed PDF. This OCR PDF. This is when you have a scanned PDF. You know, I see that we save our word as PDF now. What about if you just scan something? Somebody scan something and save as PDF. So sometimes you need OCR PDF to read through that. Sometimes you get it right. Sometimes there are some little mistakes. You know, when you are converting ordinary photo into word or into text again, so it can be somehow challenging sometimes. So that's a very important tool that we also need or we can use as a data entry person. It can be very useful. Then we have another. I want us to look at another one, which is one of the Google tools. That is let me go back to Google page. Google, okay, Google on page. So we have it here. One of very good tool. When you click on this 9 dot here, so sorry. Okay. We have Google Keep. You have Google Keep also. Google Keep can be used to keep information or to keep records. Actually, so you can quickly, you can be with somebody is giving you can quickly take notes with Google Keep. You can quickly take notes and keep something here. Somebody talk to you are taking notes, and as I said, taking notes is already saving it into the cloud. So that is basically what Google this can do for you. But at the same time, sometimes you can also use this to also extract something. Okay, let me quickly look at it. Instead of typing notes here, I can click on this and get some image. I have a picture. I want to get the text from that page. I can just go ahead, look for one image and tell this to extract it. Let me look for a page. Let's start page. Let's look at this. Okay, this is an icon server. Now, as it is now, is this is JPEG. This is JPEG now. I can just come here and say grab image text. Grab image text. Consider these are the text, these are the image. Depending on how easy it is to get the image is ready here. I see image text grab. So let's copy. You can grab the image text and copy to Google Doc. Copy into Google Doc and see here. Copy to Google Doc without doing much while. You can see that everything on that page is already copied. So this is an image that somebody. So if you want to create something like this now, so instead of wasting our time, you can see that it's far easy and it will save our time. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. You can see these are the text. So you can quickly edit it or add to it or remove it. You want to create your own, want to create another one for another month, just come there. These are the text. You have it. If somebody says you go and type that, copy everything on that, it will take a lot of time, but within so actually there might be some mistake. There is computer, we're human. So we have to check around, we have to read and be sure that there's no mistake. Okay, look at this now. What is this standing for? Okay, F. Okay, DEF. So F is on, so under F we have note. So we have to now rearrange it as human being and get something done. Can you see that Quillbot has come here? I want to look at what I can have written here. So if I make a mistake here now, Quillbot will also come into it. Also come there and try to help me out to tell me that over there's a mistake there. I don't need this for now. So that is what I want us to get here. So very quick, very fast. Also, we have a Google Translate. Also, we have Google Translate. Google Translate. I think we have it here. Also, I think we have it here. Google Translate. Also, you have a document in another language. You can use Google Translate to quickly translate it to another language quickly. So let me look at. Let me check the document. Let me bring the document that we have earlier. Okay, let's browse. You can drag it and drop it. So let's browse for one. I think we have one recently. Where is the one we have? Deloitte server. Okay. So we want to translate this into what? Into Spanish. So translate. Okay, it's already English to Spanish now. From English, it should detect language by itself and give it to Spanish. So let's see what we have there. Let's see what we have here. So the same thing. If you have it in Spanish, you can also convert it back to English. You see now that it doesn't take much time to get something done while with the knowledge. So these are the tools that you can quickly use to support you while doing data entry. Then we also have some other ones that we'll be talking about as we progress in this training, like the of transcribing tool that you can use to transcribe. When somebody is talking, you want to get whatever the text, the voice into text. So there are tools that can also help you, and it will take, it's going to reduce a lot of time that you need to actually type what somebody is saying. Now, so I'm going to look at that as we progress in this training. And also we have the of OpenAI, ChatGPT. I think most of us already know that already. So let me quickly look at it. Chat.openai. Chat.openai.com. So please, when you want to use a ChatGPT, just use chat.openai. If you go to OpenAI, the ChatGPT directly, it will be taking you to, it will take you to another page, which you will need somebody to actually, somebody who has knowledge of together. So, but to do basic things that we're going to do here, we have ChatGPT. We're going to learn more about ChatGPT, the power of some AI tools and other things we can do with AI as we progress. So ChatGPT is also very good when it comes to some of those things we talked about. but grammar checking, getting ideas. Sometimes you need to get a letter done. If you want to get a letter done, you can quickly take ChatGPT to get you to write a letter to my boss, complaining about my um my lateness due to pressure of yesterday yesterday assignment. Just a sample of server. So let's quickly see what we're going to get for us. So to give you the idea. So you click on our line, it will get you a copy of the letter. You can actually go through and check if the letter is making any sense to you. And so you have there, but you put address, you put names, other things. I hope the letter find you well. I'm writing to address concern regretting my recent tardiness of work. I take full responsibility for my business and would like to explain the circumstance that led to this. So you can see all the story here. If you're okay with the story, go ahead. If you are not okay with it, just on the generate. It will regenerate for you. So it's same thing, not only letters. You can use ChatGPT to get so many ideas. Write business letter, business mail, business whatsoever. It's very good. And as we move on, I'm going to show you some other add-in or plugin that you can also use with this ChatGPT, and you get you something very good. So just like ChatGPT, we have BAT. We also have BAT. So bat.google.com. We have bat.google.com also. It's also very good source for AI tools also. So you sign in into bat, into try bat. Don't know if I have a account here already. I don't know. So more. I don't know if I have the account already. I have three. If I don't have it before, we continue. Okay, so here, just like we did in the we can also do the same thing here. Can you generate a business idea for printing business in 2024? Just a random something that came to my mind. So, can you see now? So it's going to come up with something for you, which you now look at and look at what we have. Then, if you're okay with it, good. Look at what it's giving to you. Some sample of what that's getting for you. So the same, you can ask the same question from the GPT and see which one give you a better response. So this one will give you, we have other options there. Okay, option 2. If you have option 2 already, it has given you 3 options ready, which you can always pick either of them at any point in time. So we have this ready, and then we can also pick the last one to look at it. You are not satisfied with it, just click on this and regenerate also. You can regenerate the idea. It doesn't complain like human. Why we tell you that I gave you 5 responses already? Why are you not picking anyone from them? No, that's not, that is human. And so finally on this, so if you have Microsoft Edge also, if you have Edge on your browser, you can also make use of the same thing from Microsoft Edge also. So with Edge, you know, ChatGPT, if you look at GPT has 2 versions, 3.5, which is free, and the paid version, which is 4. But most of us cannot afford 4. But currently, Microsoft is giving 4 for free through the Microsoft Bing. If you look at the top right here, you see we have chat here, which is Microsoft Bing. Chat here, we have chat here. You can always ask anything with GPT-4. This is using GPT 4.0, so you can always ask anything you like to ask, and it's going to give you idea of what you have there. In fact, one good thing about this is that this can also read your PDF and give you response. Okay, let me quickly attach something here. Let me open the work through a PDF file here, and let's see what I'm going to get here. Let me open a PDF file. Okay. So let me open this file here. I open a file. I see the file I open. This is a proposed timetable for BMC server. You can tell this one to look, can you summarize this document? If you have like 100 pages or 30 pages of document, can you summarize the document for me? Document. So one good thing about this is that apart from writing, you can also use it for PDF straight away. It will help you to generate whatever you have in this PDF and summarize it for you. Yeah, document is proposed to do for this for 8 weeks in November, this and this and that. It's telling you what is likely to be there. I used to So if you have like 100 pages or 50 pages of book and you need to summarize, you want to know what the summary of the whole story inside this book. Fine and good. You can just bring it into this. Or sometimes when you open PDF, if it's not opening, just like click on PDF, something like this. Something like this. You can also do also pick like in this case, you can just right click and open with, because if you open, sometimes if you have PDF reader, if you open as PDF reader, you can just click open this and you select Microsoft Edge. It will open in Microsoft Edge. Another good thing about Microsoft Edge is that you can able to read. You can read together. I have this document I want to read. If you click, if you read, you will see here, you see read aloud. So if you have a book you want to read, you can read together. Yeah. So it can also help you when you want to read also. So you read together as we move on. Yeah. So all of these are very good tools that can help you to also to increase your productivity at work or whatever. So thank you very much for the time. I hope you gain something from here. Tomorrow, in our day 4, we're going to continue with our class. Thank you very much.